Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize student benefits with Chase Freedom Student Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the Chase Freedom Student Card and its key benefits. Research the reward structure, which typically includes cash back on purchases. Review any introductory offers that may enhance initial rewards. Check your eligibility requirements to ensure a smooth application process. Gather necessary personal information, such as your social security number and financial details. Visit the official Chase website to start your application. Complete the online application form, filling in all required fields accurately. Submit your application and wait for a decision from Chase. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the card's features and benefits. Set up your online account to manage your card and track spending. Use the card for everyday purchases to maximize cash back rewards. Keep an eye on your reward points and understand how they can be redeemed. Regularly pay your balance in full to avoid interest and maintain a good credit score. Take advantage of any referral bonuses by recommending the card to fellow students. Utilize Chase mobile app features for easy tracking and budgeting. Review your monthly statements to monitor expenses and ensure accuracy. Stay updated on any changes in rewards or terms by checking Chase updates. Consider attending financial literacy workshops offered by Chase or your school. Make it a habit to review and adjust your budget based on your spending patterns. By following these steps, you can optimize the benefits of the Chase Freedom Student Card effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.